Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.84. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 34.1% since we first identified SOXL as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.95% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 127.11% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 127.11% to 155.62%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 43.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 95.35% to negative 39.78% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.19 and $15.42. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline: SOXL ETF price down 0.0781% on Friday. The SOXL ETF price decreased by 0.0781% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. It fell from $25.62 to $25.60. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.18%, with a low of $24.83 and a high of $25.62. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 6.19% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is often considered a positive indicator since volume should ideally align with price movements. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 11 million shares, with a total of 66 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $45, while the lowest was $7.23. Currently, the price stands at 43.11%, or $19.40, below the 52-week high, and 93.23%, or $352.64, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The semiconductor sector is experiencing renewed interest following the passage of what is being dubbed One Big Beautiful Bill, which is likely to further stimulate investment in chip-related stocks like the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x shares, or SOXL. This momentum is crucial as traders are closely monitoring leveraged products amid a resurgence in technology stocks. On the horizon, the recent launch of Grok 4 indicates a potential new wave in artificial intelligence development that could significantly drive demand for semiconductors. SOXL, being a leveraged, exchange-traded fund that aims to multiply semiconductor returns by 3 times, presents a compelling opportunity for risk-tolerant investors looking to capitalize on this burgeoning trend. Importantly, semiconductor demand is on the upswing due to rising applications of artificial intelligence technology. Current market dynamics suggest that SOXL may benefit from bullish sentiment as options positioning and technical indicators align around a key price level of $25. This could imply short-term upside potential, leading to increased stock price volatility. However, investors should remain cautious as SOXL is not suitable for long-term holdings due to the inherent risks associated with leverage, including significant compounding effects during potential market corrections. In the short term, the passage of supportive legislation and advancements in artificial intelligence can create favorable conditions for SOXL. But investors must weigh the high volatility against their risk tolerance when considering this exchange-traded fund. The following signals have been identified through SOX. The SOXL ETF currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it simultaneously shows a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the ETF continue to gain, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $26.50. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average around $24.33. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will issue a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, potentially impacting the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 21, 2025, and since then, the ETF has declined by 6.91%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 151 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 54 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average had a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 27 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $25.11, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $0.79 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 3.18%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.47%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $26.37. If you do not currently own any shares, you may consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $25.11. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.09, reflecting a decline of 5.90%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals combined with a generally positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SOXL ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of July, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by a quarter and begin trading at $25.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.